Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the stunning 2026 Audi R8 V10 Plus, a car that continues to prove why it's one of the most iconic supercars out there. Audi has taken performance, design, and technology to the next level with this latest version, and there's a lot to be excited about. The first thing you'll notice is the updated exterior. It's still unmistakably an R8, but it's sharper, meaner, and more aerodynamic than ever. The front grille is wider and more aggressive, the air intakes are larger, and there are new LED lighting signatures that make it look even more futuristic. It's a car that turns heads whether it's parked or flying down the road. Under the hood, or rather, right behind the seats, you've still got that legendary 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine. No turbochargers, no hybrid system, just pure, raw power. It cranks out an impressive 650 horsepower and sounds absolutely insane when you hit the throttle. The roar of that V10 is music to any car enthusiast's ears, and Audi has done a great job of tuning the exhaust for maximum drama. Performance-wise, this car is a beast. It can go from 0 to 60 in just under 3 seconds, and thanks to Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, it delivers power to the road with incredible grip and control. Whether you're on a straight highway or tearing through corners, the R8 feels balanced and precise. The steering is razor sharp, the brakes are incredibly responsive, and the overall driving experience is nothing short of exhilarating. Inside the cabin, Audi keeps things focused and luxurious. The virtual cockpit has been upgraded with new graphics and customization options. There's a new steering wheel with integrated drive mode selectors, making it easy to switch between comfort, dynamic, and track settings on the fly. The use of carbon fiber, Alcantara, and fine leather creates a perfect blend of sportiness and elegance. One of the coolest new features is the active aerodynamics system. The rear wing and front splitters adjust automatically depending on your speed and driving mode, helping with both stability and efficiency. It's a small detail that makes a big difference when you're pushing the car to its limits. Technology-wise, the R8 comes packed with everything you'd expect from a modern Audi: navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, premium audio, and a suite of driver assistance features. But thankfully, it doesn't overwhelm the driving experience. It's still all about the connection between the driver and the machine. The 2026 Audi R8 V10 Plus isn't just a supercar, it's a statement. A celebration of performance, engineering, and emotion. If this is one of the last naturally aspirated V10s we'll ever see, Audi made sure it's one to remember. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic car content. See you next time.